Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your XM account to MetaTrader5. This works for both demo and real accounts, but for this tutorial I will use a demo account, as you can see here, so you can follow everything safely. First, go to my.xm.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the top menu and open the account section right here. So my account. Here you will see on options to create a real account and demo account. As you can see, click on demo account. I'm going to create a brand new demo, so we go from start to finish together. So right here to new account, demo account. Now pay attention here because this part is very important. Platform MetaTrader 5 MT5. Click here, continue. For account type, I will choose ultra low standard and click continue again. Leverage. I will leave everything as a default. So account name. Okay, so here I will place in something like that, and like so. Complete. Never like that. And now you need to set your trading password as I saw. Um, you will need to remember this password because you will need it to log into the MT5. Once that's done, you will click complete. And just like that, your demo account now is created. Now this part is also important at the top. Click on your account menu and then here you will find now two demo accounts right here. So like that, we'll go and click here and manage, and then account information. Here you will see the key details you need. So MT5 ID and server name. Also, XM will send you a mail with your MT5 ID, your server confirmation of the account. The password is the one you just created, so make sure you remember it. Okay, so now copy next to this server name here, copy this copies it to your clipboard so we can pass it into the MetaTrader. Now open MetaTrader 5 right here, top left corner, right over here, menu. Okay, so here on the web, you will go here to MetaTrader and choose whatever platform you're using. So I take with Windows, then this thing will download the program and it will look like something like that. Now after that, go here to the top left corner, click File, open an account. So right here, and pass this into the search bar, xm.com mt5. Click find your company and you should see XM appear. Click on it, then press next. Select connect to an existing trading account. As you can see here. Now enter login is your MT5 ID. And after you place your data in, you will be connected to your demo account on MT5 with xm.com MT5. So I hope this video helped you out. This is pretty much it for today's video. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.